Now to good health, breast cancer and bacteria. Might there be a connection?
A new study is raising a lot of interesting questions. Our Dr. Frank McGeorge is here with a look at what researchers have uncovered and really why it's important.
Yeah, Karen and Devin, you know, when you hear bacteria, most people think about infections or illnesses like food poisoning. But researchers found certain bacteria in the stomach, for example, can increase the risk of stomach cancer. And now researchers are trying to determine if bacteria could play a role in breast cancer as well.
The study done by the Cleveland Clinic uncovered differences between the breast tissue of healthy women and women with breast cancer.
This is a pilot study, in fact, that looked at breast cancers and non-cancerous breast tissues. And lo and behold, there were some bacteria that were overrepresented in breast cancers compared to non-cancer breast tissues, and vice versa.
The bacteria that live in and on the body are known as the microbiome. Previous research on gut bacteria has shown when this system gets out of balance, it becomes easier for disease to grow. For the study, researchers examined the tissue of 78 patients who underwent mastectomies. The healthy, non-cancerous breast tissue had more of a certain type of bacteria, but the cancerous tissues had other types of bacteria that were elevated. Researchers say the next step is to look at whether they could target the bacteria in the breast tissue with treatment, or even better, pinpoint the problem area and target it before the breast cancer has a chance to develop.
Imagine if we could, instead of giving chemotherapy that not only hits the cancer but every cell in the body, imagine if we could just give something that targets the cancer, whether it may be breast or otherwise.
So the researchers stress, while these results are not yet at the point where they can be translated into any kind of treatment, the findings do highlight the importance of getting cancer patients involved in research that's hopefully going to result in advances in future care. And that's where we form this great big, basically, database of cancer studies and try and figure out what we can do to beat this.
You were just telling me this microbiome idea is kind of spreading all over the place with lots of different.
Right, it's become incredibly trendy to talk about the microbiome, and there's definitely something there, but we're exploring so many different things, it's not clear where it's all going yet.
Yeah. All right, Doc.
Thank you, Doc.